This is Wilfong, this is my bike chain. Alright, so my frame is the Fit Mac 2 frame. Alright, so starting off with my bars, I have S&M FU bars. Going with the stem, I have the Shadow Conspiracy copper tie-dye stem. I have the Shadow Conspiracy copper tie-dye headset, and then my forks are Primo Pro forks. Grips, I have the Merit cross-check grips, and the bar ends are Sabrosa bitchin' bar ends. Front hub is a Primo N4FL front hub laced to a Primo rim, and my tires are the Demolition fucking Momentum tires. So my pegs are, I have 2 Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs and 2 Fit stock pegs. My sprocket is a Fit key grind guard sprocket with the KMC half link chain. My cranks, bottom bracket, and pedals are all stock. The Demolition seat with the Fit stock seat post. Rim is a Primo Freemix hub with the Primo rim, and I have the Primo hub guard.